Welcome to Friday, April 24th, and our last day of this outstanding and exciting double displacement reactions week. Today we bring to a close our week studying double displacement reactions, also known as net ion exchange. Taking a look at where we are today. Yesterday we started our wrap-up lab, our double displacement lab. Today I would like you to finish that lab and submit that. Be sure that you're taking your time through this lab, making sure you're reading all the directions, watching things carefully, because at the end of this lab, you should have a great understanding of precipitation reactions. If you happen to have time over this weekend, I would recommend that you take a look at Bonus 8-24, where there are several selections of equations that you'll have the opportunity to balance, ranging from relatively easy to pretty challenging. And this is a fun exercise in thinking. On these reactions, it is pretty much by the trial and error method where you'll try to balance reactions. These equations are rated, number 1 being relatively easy, 2 reasonably doable, and 3 more challenging. And you've got 5 to balance. And they are ranked. Problem number 1 is ranked as a 2. Problem 2's a 1. That's fairly easy. Number 3, 4, and 5, those are some challenging ones. And it is a great opportunity to think. If you enjoy doing puzzles and thought problems, this is right up your alley. And you'll receive bonus points for each of those that you can get correct. The answer key will be posted on Tuesday, so those need to be submitted on Monday. Next week, if you're looking ahead to next week, the advanced planner has already been posted for next week. Next week would mark our 5th week of e-learning. And next week, we will wrap up with a review, the Unit 8 chapter on equation writing and types of chemical reactions. We'll be doing some wrap-up activities, reviews next week, and then after that we'll proceed on to our final unit of the school year, Unit 9. I want to take a moment to thank all of you that have been working hard on this. Remember, if you're having any difficulties whatsoever, don't hesitate to email me questions. We can set up any meets or communicate back and forth by email or create additional help videos, because the goal here is to come away learning. That puts the learning in the word e-learning. Hey, have a great Friday and a fantastic weekend.